for people. A woman who fornicates. I don't think God would have sent our Savior through her. It is not easy. Mary, Mary. Mary, Mary, Mary. Oh, Mamoni. Oh, Niremo. Queen of Nigeria. Mary, Mary, Mary. Parish. Oh, Reverend Father Magnus Alim. Aya, you go. Thank you for your good work in Assumption Parish. Idamawori. Hey. Get. We are the members of URHOBO Catholic community. Wagbere. Hey. Oh, my daddy, Mr. Kakaide JP. Doctor and Honorable Justice C. Imudainoko. URHOBO Ramarena. Eneseri Pudiawoki, man of URHOBO Catholic Joint Choir. God bless you all. Oh, my beloved Reverend Father Thomas Edejo. Reverend Father Barrister Edward Tansey. Thank you for your good work. You get. Mary, Mary. Mary, Mary, Mary. Oh, Mamoni. Oh, Niremo. Oh, Mamoni Robori. Oh, Miraye. Mary, Mary. Mary, Mary. Mary, Mary, Jesus Christi. Oh, Mary, Jesus Christi. Oh, Mary. Oh, Mama said. Oh, Serese. Jesus. Oh, Mary. Jesus is the King of Kings. Every other kings are under him. For you to control a throne, you must have wisdom. Jesus was not lectured on how to rule people, but with his holiness and purity, he is still ruling and will continue to rule. Oh, King of Kings, I need all of your spirits. Your spirit of understanding, your spirit of creativity. There is power in holiness. Because of righteousness and holiness, Jesus Christ reigns forever. Hey, Jesus Christi. Oh, Mama said. Oh, Mary. Jesus. Oh, Mary. Jesus. Oh, Mary. Oh, Mama said. Jesus. Oh, my daddy, Apostle Bendry Mumukoro. The Lord has answered your prayers, and you shall continue to sing praises to his name. Hey, because when the blessings of God comes, it has no respect for gender. Oh, I miss you, Wakaye. Ipora Pomi Lorobu Rakona. I miss you, Wakaye. Came over me a luwete, Baba. Yesu, where will be? Obie. Yesu, Wagin Obie, Baba. Mary. Wogbere. Gege. Oh, my mentor, Solo Kings. Your result will cancel your insult. Thank you for your support. Gege. This is dancing time. Mass rejection will promote God's direction for you.